recent directive, prisoners on remand have been instructed to acquire their own uniforms, sparking concerns among inmate advocates groups. Additionally, relatives of prisoners will be permitted to bring blankets to the correctional facilities during the harsh winter months. This move has raised questions about the government's responsibility in providing basic necessities to incarcerated individuals. Critics argue that this decision may disproportionately affect vulnerable populations, including those without financial means or support systems. During this winter season, prisoners and their families face significant challenges in accessing essential items. This development highlights the need for a comprehensive review of the criminal justice system and its treatment of prisoners on remand. There's a person who commented following this development on X, stating that this is basically a breach of the government's constitutional duty and a human rights violation for the government to insist on keeping inmates incarcerated whilst unable to properly or adequately care for them whilst they remain in state care. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel.